Firm drive down the ground. That is a thumping blow from Hazrat to open his account.
Just an easy, lazy shot from Hazrat Zazai. That's the kind of power that he has.
Making better, think different options. Gets it fine. Pedal sweep for 4. Smokes it. Over mid-wicket for 6. A flat 6 to finish the over from Mohammad Nabi. 16 coming from it. Roaring loudly here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium. It is 43 for 1.
Trusted for the next over as well. 3 overs on the trot.
Misfield. Can you believe it? And the ball will trickle into the boundary for 4. It's all happening here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium. Bouncing deliveries. Hazrat is peeling off boundaries and peeling off boundaries in fun. With a bang through the onside, 1 bounce into the fence for 4. Boundaries hemorrhaging here. Swings it hard. Handsome. It's there in the stands. Scintillating ball striking from Hazratullah Zazai.
What a display of brutal force that is from Hazratullah Zazai. Just keep an eye on Naveed Zadran. I believe he's limping a little bit, though he's been given this extended over, but I think he's just limping a little bit.
Nan bilkul paredam ke Hazratullah Zazai makha maktop lo bhai aap topta straight boundary se khada bandi salur mandi timing der pazla puri Dazal topzi aap topta boundary se khada bandi salur mandi behtareen shot Hazratullah Zazai.
On a day everything has found the middle, this one hasn't, and it's taken. Hazratullah Zazai's brilliance with the bat in hand has come to an end. And in the end, he's realized eventually that there is a part of the bat that does not guarantee distance. But what a half century this has been. One to savor, and one that's a statement to all the other teams. I'm not finished. Welcome, Parvez.
Thanks to us. You always be wary of the wounded soldier, and that's what Zazai was. The side is out of the tournament. He had quite a lean tournament, but he finishes off the 6th game with a half century. The Tigers 78 for 3.